Hi guys, 17th February, it's Thursday morning. Okay, so I just want to quickly show you what I'm looking at BTC and I'll explain how we enter these markets. All right, so from the low, so we're assuming this is still going to be wave 5 going up. So we've got the 1, we've got the 2, and inside here we've got our little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes us a nice wave 3 over there, and then wave 4, and then final wave 5. So that should be, let's say, wave 1. Now we're looking for wave 2, and then hopefully go up again. Now, that looks like 1, 2, got our 5 waves there for 3, 4, 5 done. Now, what happens now is we normally look at a 3-wave back. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Now, what happens now? That's our A, B, C, and we should go. So this is where you like to enter and go for it. But sometimes after the 1, 2, 3 back, ABC, it looks like impulsive, looks like it's going to go, it doesn't go anywhere, and it does another 1, 2, 3, or sorry, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for C, and then it normally goes. All right, so this is what you look at. You got your impulse move up, you got your correction. It doesn't always go the first time, then leave it for another 3-wave or 5-wave correction, and then it should go. So now we've got literally a double zigzag or double correction. So you've got the first move down, move up, and next move down to break the low again. And that's a beautiful zigzag or flat structure, and that will give us a go from there. All right, so that's what I'm saying this morning. BTC is now a do or die situation where it has to go and break up. If it doesn't, it's going to be something else. So, how to play this? If you are very, let's say, risk, or you like playing risky stuff, so you could go A, B, C, and you saw this equal legs, A, B, C, you place it into order there, and it looks very nice and impulsive. So, happy days, looking good. So now you've got your stop loss at break even, so you don't lose any money. Unfortunately, it doesn't go as it's supposed to, and there's another correction 1, 2, 3, or 5 waves down. It will break the low and take a stop out. But then you can see it's a very nice in this channel, and it's a nice 3-wave structure. So you can, on this channel, once it stops there and doesn't continue down, you can place your buy order again and go for that one with a more higher probability of this going out now. So yes, we can have W, X, Y, another X, another Z to make things really, really dragged out and then go. So that's your 7-swing or fast 7-swing correction, we call it. But the high probability is going from here. If it doesn't, get another low and then go for the rest. That's how you just keep adding. If it doesn't work out, you try next one. If it doesn't go, try next low. And then that's how we go. Obviously, if this turned out to be like a 1, 2, and it broke this and went crazy 3, 4, 5, different story. But at the moment, from the high there, it's only a 3-wave structure, not a 5-wave structure. So to me, it looks very corrective. That is up. This is corrective. So it actually needs to move up. All right. Good luck, guys.